In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect frames in Figma quickly and easily so you can build cleaner prototypes and create smooth user flows without confusion. If you're working on a website layout, app design, or any interactive mockup, knowing how to link frames is one of the most useful Figma skills to learn. It helps you turn static designs into clickable prototypes that feel much more realistic and professional. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow and it keeps you updated with more Figma tips and design walkthroughs. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Figma design file. Once your file is open, look over to the right-hand panel and click on Prototype. This switches your workspace into prototype mode, which is where you can create connections between frames. Now, if you have multiple frames on the canvas, it's a good idea to zoom out a little so you can see all the frames clearly. This makes it much easier to identify which frame you want to connect from and which frame you want to connect to. You don't want to accidentally drag the connection to the wrong screen, so take a second here to position your canvas properly. Next, click the first frame that you want to link. Once the frame is selected, you'll notice a small plus icon inside a circle on the right middle side of the frame. This is the prototype connection handle. Click and drag that icon over to the second frame that you want to connect. As soon as you release it on the second frame, Figma will create the link and a settings box will appear. This box lets you choose how the interaction should work. For example, you can decide what action happens when the user clicks or taps, what animation should play, and where the transition should go. Set it up however you like, based on the experience you want to create. This is where you can make your prototype feel more polished. You might choose a simple instant transition, or you might use a smart animation or dissolve effect if you want something smoother. The exact settings depend on the kind of flow you're building, but the important part is that the connection is now created between the two frames. If you want to connect more frames, just repeat the same process. Select the frame, drag the connection handle to the next screen, and adjust the interaction settings. You can keep building out your full user journey this way until your prototype includes every screen you need. Once you've connected your frames, you can press the play or present button to preview the prototype and test how it works. This is a great way to make sure your links are going to the correct frames and that the flow makes sense before you share it with anyone else. And that's it, you now know how to connect frames in Figma. It's a simple process, but once you understand it, you can start creating much more interactive and professional designs in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Figma guides in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.